we're not going to be using actual chocolate, but cocoa powder. Just use your favorite hot cocoa mix or 100% pure cocoa powder if you prefer it without sugar. I would say for the sake of your skin, use it without sugar. Besides pure cocoa powder having antioxidant effects for your skin, it also smells so much nicer and more natural. Next, we want to have some Vaseline, also called petroleum jelly. Something to mix your ingredients in and something to mix your ingredients with. A small container like this. And of course, because this is a makeup tutorial, you're gonna need blush brush. Once we have all of our ingredients, let's get started. Heat up 1 tablespoon of Vaseline in your microwave for about 2 minutes. Taking the heated Vaseline out of the microwave, be careful not to burn yourself as the container or Vaseline can be quite hot. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to the Vaseline and mix until fully dissolved. After half an hour, you should be ready to apply the cocoa on your lips. To complete the chocolate makeup, your blush should match with your lipstick. So what I'm gonna do now is take the cocoa powder, turn it around so some of the cocoa powder goes onto the lid. Then I carefully open the cocoa can. Take your blush brush, dip it carefully into the cocoa powder, and then, you know the drill, suck your cheeks in. Tutorial is more for fun and not your daily look for school or the office, except you work in a candy store and it's totally okay to smell like a bar of chocolate. Go for it! I'm sure you'll have loads of fun because chocolate. Did you know in my mother tongue, the side or angle of your face which looks the most attractive is called your chocolate side. So in German that would be Schokoladenseite. Now I've got 1, 2, and 3 chocolate sides. 3 chocolate sides are still not enough. Just hold up the bar of chocolate. Thank you for watching and see you soon in my next video.